You know notice say skills. After I come up for EMA, now you blow.
My brother, I used they talk that thing yesterday. I just look. I said,
you have not noticed that. Say now after you come up for,
he can't get some different kind of swag.
You can't get different swag.
No be lie.
In swag, con different. If you see him for
swag.
No, that's swag. He own that swag. He can't say that. He can't even sing one song. Amen. I could do the thing. Amen. I just amen. I just the answer. I go be another amen. He can one song where he say na.
You go do the thing, amen.
No, now we go they pray those kind of prayer like I go blow tomorrow.
Amen.
I go blow tomorrow. Amen. I go pay my house rent. God win.
No, that's not called a rebel now.
No, now this one. No, be scale with the talk about that when sing 299 emergency. Agency. What's your agency? It comes to the different. But not true now. If you see skill swag, don't worry, you can bring an enter. Oh,
I feel the light show.
EME, they don't have the time.
Nadi, you must breathe better. I mean, a whiskey,
I don't know. They buy yours. Even I they yours come back to even spirit from what.
Anyway, back to Twitter. The Relicious talk say, if not me, before they go talk and finish, I don't reach house. Nedu, if you see the original of this suit, you go faint. Relicious, God is watching you. And then Hafsat say, Nedu, wallahi, I not fit that one the inskanchi. I miss you easy.
Yeah. I miss you too. They do retweet now, they retweet.
They do that your suit now from Bendan Select. At least I get Bendan Select suit. You get your own.
No.
Go for your own Bendan Select.
If you see original, you can't see this one. You know no difference. So, there. Things are never long change.
So you say a fake one.
No, you say talk. If you see original, you can't say that they do wear around.
Now because I do a little about this thing, I make it. Anyway, and then Chidi Christopher told say, which kind of movies are be that? I from China.
Hey, brother.
I'm not going
that thing never hold you. Where he say?
Leave him.
He never hold you for corner.
Nigerians with
they don't want in this same very Nigeria.
Where they say
no be money.
Not my brother.
No be money.
My brother. Not be say you go wipe.
Okay. It like say now because they will not talk the amount.
Now we don't talk the amount.
Well, now because we will not talk the amount.
Okay, una know the amount. And because we not talk the amount, the amount of the business not be in naira, $10 million.
Oh.
Mokuna here now. $10 million. Not be 10 million naira.
Dear father.
That's 1 million. No.
Not be 1 million. No.
2, 3, 4.
$10 million.
Now when you are brother carry your cousin go, when they keep go do that thing come
that's supposed to be 2,000 million. So that's like billion. That's
billion for naira.
That's $1 billion.
My brother, I go lick my sister here.
You know, make I tell you the situation where it go happen. If you don't follow your brother, you go carry one of a local village cousin.
Especially now with dollars.
Especially now with dollars.
Carry the money come. Everybody go come in house. Come to say, my brother don't blow. Help me come see my brother. Everybody go.
There are 2 billion naira.
They find that kind of meeting.
You define that kind of meeting. You go kiss your brother.
But you and your brother go get agreement.
No, no, don't agree. Maybe you not don't block.
You go pay tight. You go pay tight.
They no plan them. Then even if they no plan them, for there where the thing happen.
Anyway, the topic we talk about today, just in case those of you that we don't know, no matter of this guy when he say one go Dubai, but because of this 40 years thing when he say Dubai don't bring now, he ain't day younger, he never reach 40 years because okay, you guys they married, he can carry his sister, say make them form husband and wife, and then two reach there, and then they say okay, before we give you this visa, okay, una resemble
too much,
okay, una not marry a bit, they say yes, oh yeah, kiss yourself, and if they kiss yourself, una two go touch on yourself, make we know. Say true, una don't marry or not. If now you be the guy, and this business before, we'll not talk the price, Jeku say we could talk the price. $10 million business.
That's 2 billion naira.
2 billion naira worth of business.
Think I'm very well.
Think if you be the guy, you go kiss your sister. If you be the girl, you go kiss your brother, make him go bring the money, come back. Call us, our phone numbers there on top of TV. Make it call us, make you know what you think about the matter. But before then, make you hand over to them. Chukwujekwu and Jean Michael. Back to Black Brother Baby, stylist. Tell us things we would need to know about Black Brother Baby and then una stylist business.
Black Brother, I don't get plenty things to talk concerning Black Brother
But
Baby.
for the stylist,
we help you.
Make we hear this.
Una they make money. So when I fit tell una say una don't blow. You know, so that one question.
No, we never blow. But if you want now, you never blow now. But if you want reach us, if you want reach me, now Jeku the stylist at
Instagram.
For Instagram or Twitter, now at Jeku the stylist.
Jeku the stylist.
JEKWUTHE stylist.
Okay.
Yes.
Then Jane on one.
At Jean Michael, Nigeria. That's JANEMICH.
Why you join Nigeria? Join your name.
She too like this country.
No.
Sing national anthem.
Which country you from? What's it be Jean Michael? You don't never hear person when they. What's it be your native name?
In Ogbonge.
Yeah, me say what the
Now my name.
I don't want to like to answer two English names.
No, that's now my name and my papa name. Now I use. Now my name and my papa name. Now I use.
Speak language.
Your papa face name.
Make any same now.
Isaac from Akwa Ibom. I don't hear.
Hello, good evening.
My brother, talk to me. I don't know what these people talk. Good evening. Isaac.
Yes, good evening.
Election.
I say yes, so.
Okay, sorry, I think I hear election. Good evening.
Yes.
Now, if now you, Isaac, if now you be this guy, where they go for this business for $10 million, you go kiss your sister, make them give you visa.
I don't go kiss now, my sister.
But if your sister can't go and collect that money, come
If
back.
your sister can't go collect that money, you go disturb them.
For money.
No, I know what you talk about now. I know what you I know what you
Tell you say Nigerians.
Isaac, bye-bye.
Nigerians.
Anyway, make we watch one small music video. When we come back, we'll continue to talk about the matter.
No, Dadian.
Daniel.
Who can move one? I come for. I come for the cablo. Mpondo for Kama. I come with a go for. Oh, I dio. Can be a go for. A bit of you know you for a very bad person.
After at night for 2,000.
Music video. Music video.
I see the sun in your eyes. I see the stars in your eyes. I see the colors of the rainbow in your eyes. So baby, if not play, they play. Baby, make you stop, I'm sharply. I say make you stop, I'm before you come make mess in my day. Joy, but me so pussy, oh my love, my baby. bello. Tini, me and you today. Now you will be my attention, only you. Hey, only you. Only you. Only you. Only you. Nobody ever tell us.
Like this, like that, like that,
Baba, I see the body. That's so.
Dúró dè mí, kò gbé mi sáyà. Kò wá fífẹ́ tútù sọ́kàn mi.
Ado, koguntano, galado, koguntano, galado, koguntano, galado, koguntano, because Motugaga, Motugaga, I am Motugaga, I'm Motugaga.
Jehovah, God go bless Two-Face. Two-Face, God bless you. In case you don't know, now Black Brother, Jeku, na in style, Two-Face.
They do quiet. Since that song begin they play, since that video, they do get up, they dance.
Oh.
I see the rainbow for your eye. I say I won't ask him, which eye in take see the rainbow when they see? May you talk true today.
Which eye I take see rainbow? I be where they see
eye
rainbow.
you see rainbow inside? You say you see rainbow inside somebody.
I see the rainbow in your eye.
Ngwanu,
I see thunder in your eye.
Thunder.
No only my wife I dey see rainbow.
Because I be like rainbow. If you see, now because I be like rainbow. I know they lie you. You do like this, it turn to green. You do like this, it turn to brown.
You don't see killer eye. You don't see killer eye.
You can't even. They don't die.
They don't die.
Anybody with 1 year they do.
Anyway, let's go back to you they give your handle, Twitter handle.
Okay.
At the real Jean Michael's Nigeria, no be so?
That's for Instagram.
My Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Twitter.
Yeah.
You know these guys with the phone, with the cross leg now, Twitter.
And
Yes.
Twitter.
Twitter. For okay, now the same Jean Michael's Nigeria.
At JANEMICHAELNIG.
Okay.
What's your father's surname?
My father's surname is Ekanem.
Why you know the answer Jane Kanem?
Hey!
I tell him, oh.
Thank you.
I tell him.
Why you know the answer Jane
I
Kanem?
tell him, oh.
You tell
So
him.
if
I tell him that
all
time.
of us the answer of my first name. My name for be Katim Henry.
My name for be Nedu Francis.
Now my papa name be that, and I
His
got
first
my
name,
name.
now your first name.
You don't do swagger.
If say they are looking for Michael.
Jane, you want to do swagger?
Na swag.
Ngwanu na swag.
Oh, swag.
Ngwanu na swag.
Jane is
Swag,
fine
abi?
for ear.
Now for here.
Okay.
Now you decide to.
Now make we speak. I go ask you one question.
No problem.
If now, okay, make we start from her. If now your brother want get that business of $10 million for Dubai.
No, talk about naira, 2 billion naira.
Okay, 2 billion naira. Use
enter
Calabar,
everywhere.
take answer me. If now wait till you go. Use Calabar, take answer me.
First of all,
Why you dey breathe in? Answer me, we not get time. We go soon go.
Ma basinya na mo. Nonku so kan so no.
make it now, you go be 2 billion.
Yeah na mo.
I tell you, say what me to pretend, Kero.
Me to you okay? Anam babu fok. Anam karondon. Anam na Miami. Ma basi.
She will do it because by the time you look at it, she can to go to London, she go to US, she go everywhere where she go. So she dey look am for future purpose.
So you go kiss your brother.
Well, I don't know, sure. I'm not sure.
For $10 million.
I don't know.
I came from.
I don't know.
See, if na me say, if my sister dey go say no, I can't do this. Before she reach door, I don't hold her. I go kiss him eye, kiss him ear.
I'm not sure.
Jeku, if na you,
My
what you go do?
brother.
Yeah, but you feel kiss everywhere now. Nobody say make you stay for him mouth.
Wait, Jeku, if na you, what you go do?
I go kiss him.
If they say make you press him, come.
I go press him.
You know what it is?
You know the kind of money where you
And
call?
my brother.
billion.
Oh, give me 5. You are too much. No, you are too much.
Easy
That's
beat, stop.
my
If na you, what
person.
you go do?
If you are not sure, say I go fit down.
For 2 billion naira.
Now two answers they give you.
Okay.
I say I'm not sure.
It don't mean say you don't go do am.
Then two days the same. Then 2 days the same place.
I'm not sure I go feel that because number one. No, sometimes until you don't reach that kind doorstep before you go now see the beef for body. But as it be so, I'm not sure.
But it depends on the level of poverty, Sha. Make we talk.
No be poverty.
You don't get that. You go do that thing because of 5,000 naira.
No.
But some people go do it for 5,000 naira, even less.
Which is also correct.
So it depends on the level of poverty. Where I
They
did.
ask you as you there like
As
this.
you there now.
Leave me alone.
Poverty or not, I don't ask money. Will you do it? But for you will go do am.
Of course. I get 4 brothers. When we come out here, I go warn you.
Yeah, say
I say that thing when it happen, Nafimo, if you near me for night or anywhere else, if you near me, you yourself go fear.
Himself go understand, say, now hustle we day now. Hustle we day now.
Anyway, double toilet to all of una wey don follow us join on top the show for today. Those of una wey not reading our tweets, I beg, make una no vex. Na network. Ibrahim John say, evening, my brother. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Leave question for Baba OBJ. He say make he tell what?
What do you they talk?
I don't know. If na me, I go kiss her. She go understand as long as I no sleep.
My brother.
Bam. You don't reach there. You don't reach there. Now acting.
Now acting. It's a movie role.
My brother, you could enter the spirit of the film. Enter your character.
Na character now.
Before we go, me and you go kiss ourselves.
Na character.
But then, double toilet to Chukwujekwu the stylist, double toilet to Jean Michael.
Today the early come show, so we thank God.
Thank God for them. Mona follow them on top Instagram and then on top Twitter. And then our able DJ, our handsome DJ, where every girls they follow. DJ Easy Beat, double toilet to Easy Beat. And then to our producer, K Solo, double toilet to you. And then to Ogbonge Into.
Hey!
I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Baby, please give me. I'm going crazy. Oh, let me be your maga. Your maga. I want to be your maga. Your lover. Tell me what you want. Oh, hey. I just wanna know your needs. Cause the way you do the body, I like the way you do the body. Make me want to be on me body, Ah, okay. Oh yeah, baby, let me show you. Oh yeah, baby, let me show you. Baby, you pass the